How to change your gaming hub games profile name on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Gaming Hub app, and now in Gaming Hub. And if you want to change profile name, click on profile icon. After click on this profile icon, click on edit. So if you want to change profile name, so you will add name from here. And click on save. You will see gaming hub profile name is changed. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change your gaming hub game profile name on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.